everybody, it's Tiffany with Miller's Mad Creations, and today I wanted to show you my newest planner. I will be using the Goodnotes 5 app to show you how to do this, and I'll kind of go over how to use Goodnotes as well. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to wherever you purchased the planner, whether it was on my website or my Etsy. You should have received a download link as soon as you purchased. If not, check your email for your link, and then you're just going to download that zip file. And you're going to save it in a place that you can find it. And then we're going to go open our Goodnotes app. And then to import it, we're just going to go and hit New, Import. And we are going to look for our planner. Okay, so now that we have our planner imported, I'm going to walk you through Goodnotes real fast. So if you're not seeing all these tools, you need to click this little pin with a line that hides and shows your tools. This right here is if you want to zoom in and do some writing, you can do that. Here is your pen tool, and you can choose what kind of pen you want. You also can choose what size that you want, how big you want to make it, the colors. Here's your eraser. You can also make it whatever size that you need. This is a highlighter. You can change the colors and also change the size. Here is if you want to draw shapes. It just helps you draw good shapes. Here's your lasso tool, which you'll be using pretty often. Here's where you import an image. Here's where you can take a picture. But I don't ever use that. And then here's your text tool where you can add text. You also can have fonts in here, and you can set up a default style however you want. And here's a little laser tool that I have yet never used. So that's just a quick overview of the tools. To go through the planner, we're going to go to the first page. This is like your help page. If you're not familiar with planners, you can click right here and watch a video. Here are the places that you can reach me if you have any questions. And here are the hex codes for the colors that are used in the planner. If you have your tools turned off, then your links become clickable. So if you click, it's going to take you to the page. So we're in March. If you click on the little tabs right here, it's going to take you to that week, and so on. Again, if you want to write, use your pen tool, or you can use your text tool. If you want to make it bigger, click on it 3 times, and then you can change it. You can change your font. So you have all your months right here, and then you have some blank templates right here for monthly, weekly, and then daily that you can duplicate and use however you see fit. We have a notes section right here. We have some notebook paper, some dot grid, and some graph paper. If you click right here, it takes you to your vision board. If you click right here, it takes you to your goals. You have short-term goals and long-term goals. We have a finance section. And then we have our stickers, and we have our extras. And the extras are, if you look down here, you have 5 tabs, and if you click on them, there's nothing behind them. They're there for you to use however you need. So if you want to put a bunch of notebook paper behind section 1, you can do that. However you want to do it, you would just click this the 4 squares up here, and then find the page say you want to do notebook paper, you're just going to click and you're going to duplicate. And then you're just going to take and drag it and put it behind wherever you want. So now if we click on section 1, behind it there's notebook paper. And then if you want, you could just hit the plus sign and then add from the current template, and now you have 2 pages behind it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the stickers. Here is just a blank sticker page, and this is what it's eventually going to look like, or could look like, whenever you import your stickers. If you have Goodnotes, then I plan to have all these put in Goodnotes so it's already there. If not, if you're using something else, you might have to move them all in. So I've got different stickers. These will fit inside the monthly boxes. These little flags will fit inside of the monthly boxes here, and here are just different size boxes that will fit in different parts of the planner. And then these boxes, the color boxes and stuff, will fit in there also. You have some black and white text, and then you have different style lines, and these actually are just sitting on top of this right here. It just kind of shows you how you can use them. You can change them out and use different colors behind them. And also we have colors that are solid, and then we have colors that are transparent. So I'm going to go back and show you. So if you have your stickers and you have to put them in yourself, you're going to find where you saved your stickers. It could either be in your photos. I like to put mine in my files. And you just drag it up. And I'm going to put it over a little bit. And then to move my stickers in, I'm just going to take and grab them and drag them and put them in. See, this one is transparent. And you're just going to pull them all in. You can organize them however you want. And so on. Just every one that you want to use, just pull them over and place them however you want to use them. So like here is one of your squares that will go inside of your monthly. So we're going to put that there, and then we're going to drag over and you just line them up, and then you can take the text and put it on top. And depending on what color you use, I have black and white text, and you can just use them however you want. Okay, so let's bring in our line pages with one of the colors. Again, these will fit inside of your note section in your planner. And you just line them up and use them however. Now after you get them all in there, to go use them, you're going to hit your lasso tool and you're going to circle, and you see that we've got it with the lasso tool. So then we're going to tap, and then we're going to hit copy, and then we will go to the month, and to the week, and I want to put it right here. So I'm going to stretch it, move it. And again, I also did these in white, black, in this gray color, so depending on what color you use, it will show up better. It's pretty simple, it's not too complicated. Once you get the hang of the tools, you're pretty much find that you kind of use the same ones over and over for the most part. And I made this planner where it was very clear and clean cut, so it's not complicated to use. But if you have any questions or anything, feel free to message me. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, and you'll have a great day.